Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a good Wi-Fi connection and updating your Fire OS. This prevents installation errors. Next, enable apps from unknown sources for the Silk browser or Files app so you can install APKs. Otherwise, installs will fail. Then download the 4 required Google APKs in the correct order: Account Manager, Services, Play Store. Do this now so that once we move to installation, you won't pause or lose progress due to missing files or outdated software. Once the APKs are downloaded, install them in the specific order to avoid crashes. Google Account Manager first, then Google Services Framework, followed by Google Play Services, and finally the Play Store. Installing out of order often breaks sign-in. Make sure to accept any permission prompts so services can run properly. After installation finishes, reboot the tablet to let services register and settle. This step ensures background processes start correctly and reduces chance of sync errors when you sign in. Now open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. This connects your apps and settings. If Play Services prompts for an update, allow it and then restart the tablet so updates apply. Make sure sync is enabled for contacts and Play, otherwise your data won't appear. If sign-in fails, one key troubleshooting tip: verify you installed matching APK versions for your Fire OS and reinstall in the correct order. Mismatched APKs are the most common cause of sign-in errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.